Do you need to fix a broken team? Today, we've got you covered. Jen, I inherited a new team, and it's a mess. Everybody does the work differently. Our internal stakeholders hate us. I am overwhelmed because the stuff that should be in place isn't. My boss knows what I'm up against, but this is going to be much harder than I thought. What do I do? Uh-oh, the dreaded turnaround situation. Take a deep breath with me, dear leader. And now take 3 more. I am not going to sugarcoat it. You are in for a long, bumpy ride. But you already know that. Here's the good news. You've identified the problems. Unhappy stakeholders, inconsistent processes, missing foundational systems. And your boss has your back. That's huge. Now, your job is to make those problems visible to your team and engage them in solving them, one step at a time. But wait, that's not the whole story. We also need to show some compassion to your team. Most people don't want to do a bad job at work. Clearly, their previous leader did not set them up for success. So make sure to let them air their dirty laundry. Hear their frustrations. Ask what they want to fix. Then merge their list of problems with yours and get moving. Now, of course, don't try to fix everything at once. You need to triage. This problem didn't happen overnight, and it's going to take a while to fix it. For urgent issues, you may need to step in and put something in place yourself. And this is also the kind of situation where temporary help can make a big difference. Perhaps bring in a contractor to help stabilize things while you build. But ideally, you can tackle the work based on your team's roles and responsibilities and start managing against agreed-upon performance standards. And one more thing. Building trust with your team is going to be critical as you navigate this challenging situation. They are going to need some wins to help build confidence and maintain momentum. I have a toolkit that might help. I'll link it in the comments below. So try that and let me know how it goes. So that's my take. What's yours? Drop your advice in the comments below and we can learn together. Do you have a sticky workplace situation causing you grief? Send it my way and we'll tackle it in a future episode. Thank you for watching and happy improving.